Let's look at an E.F.T real quick for finding equivalent fractions. So 1/2. So if I'm trying to find fractions equivalent to 1/2, I'm going to start with 1/2. If I go down this line, any of the lines that match up are equivalent to it. They're the same. So if you had half a candy bar and your friend had 2/4 of a candy bar, you would have the same amount. The same as if I go down this line, your friend has 3/6 of a candy bar. Still have the same amount. The same as if another friend had 4/8 of a candy bar. And if I keep going down this line, the same as if somebody had 5/10 of a candy bar. They're all exactly the same fraction. It's just different pieces. It's still, they're all equivalent to the same amount. It's kind of like a 50-cent piece is the same as 2/4. It's the same as 5 dimes. It's the same as 10 nickels, same as 50 pennies. They're all the same amount, just written different ways. So all of these, 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and 5/10, they're all the exact same fraction. Now, someday, you're not going to have these pieces in front of you to find equivalent fractions. So what you can do is use an equivalent fraction table to find the exact same ones. So that would be stretching this out and counting by multiples of the numerator and the denominator. So since the numerator is a 1, we're going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 2, since the denominator is a 2, I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, if you notice here, we have 1/2, 2/4, which is over here, 3/6, which is here, 4/8, again we showed, 5/10, and if we continued, we would find 6/12. And if we continued even further, 7/14, and so on. So using an E.F.T is the same as lining up your pieces and finding which ones are all the same exact length.